the Wild Refillable Natural Shower Gel. Welcome to this unboxing and review of the Wild Refillable Natural Shower Gel. So for those of you who don't know Wild, they are a company on a mission to create some sustainable alternatives to bathroom products. I've been using their deodorant refills for about 18 months now. So the way it works is you get a container that comes in a variety of colours, I mean some really funky colours. I've gone for the mint green here. And then they separately sell these refillable deodorants. They're made from bamboo, so completely sustainable, no plastics in here. And what you do is you just drop that into there, and it's a completely sustainable alternative to deodorants, roll-ons, sprays, all of that kind of stuff that's not good for the environment, and Wild offer an alternative. About 2 months ago, I had an email saying they were launching shower gel. Did I want to pre-order? So I hit the pre-order button and promptly forgot about it. So it was a real surprise when I got an email the other day saying a delivery from Yodel was on the way, but not really telling me who it was from. And it turned out to be this. So let's take a look. So I've got the dispenser here, gone for the matching colour to what I have for my deodorant, the kind of mint green. And then these little things. So kind of completely firm, completely solid, little bit squishy. No scent at all from the outside. I actually can't remember what I ordered. It say on here? It doesn't. So what it does say is compostable material, so that's going to go into the compost bin in the back garden. I ordered 3. I have no idea what I ordered. See, right, there we go. Jasmine, coconut, and cotton. Bit fancy. I'm fancy. So on the inside, the guide for how to put it all together. Remove that and unscrew the top. Remove the lid from here. Smells great. It smells absolutely fantastic. And pop that into there. Re-screw that on. Okay, and then the refillable has a screw bit on the top. There we go. So what's good about this? Everything. It's good for the environment. It smells great. Really, it's meaningful change that individuals can make is move into products like this. The scents they offer are fantastic, and even better, I've got a bunch of referral codes which I will link down in the description, and if you use one of those you'll get 50% off your first order at Wild. I really would recommend it and encourage all of you to try it.